They don't have any analysis and they don't have any facts to present through Dr. Welcher, so they're done.
Karen Reed leaving Norfolk Superior Court confident in her case as the defense rests in her retrial. But was it enough for a not guilty verdict? Thank you for joining us. I'm Latoya Edwards.
And I'm Raul Martinez. The defense rested its case, and tomorrow both sides will give those closing arguments. But the big question is, what about today?
Exactly. NBC 10's Manoj Pongwari live outside a court in Dedham with what comes next, Manoj.
Well, today is going to be a busy day full of resolving housekeeping issues. After the defense rested yesterday in a surprise move, the prosecution said it will not call any rebuttal witnesses. So Karen Reed outside of court saying this.
Do you think your case is stronger this time?
I thought it was strong last year. It's stronger, yes. We just called more witnesses and laid out more of the case. I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready.
As it relates to today, the jurors won't be in court, but the attorneys will for what's known as a charge conference, basically a meeting between the judge and the two parties to discuss and finalize some last-minute issues. For instance, defense attorney Alan Jackson has asked Judge Beverly Cannoni for 90 minutes for his closing argument instead of 60 due to the depth of this case. She will make a decision on that today. The pair will also begin drawing up the instructions that will be given to the jury before they begin deliberations. This coming after we heard the last bit of testimony from defense's 11th and final witness, Dr. Andrew Rentschler, a biomechanical engineer who was tasked with reviewing John O'Keefe's injuries. Now, Rentschler says they were not caused by Reed's SUV, despite Reed being accused of backing her SUV into and killing John O'Keefe outside of a Canton home. Rentschler testified that there's no evidence to support that because John had no broken bones in his arm, and said the scratches on his arm, as well as the damage to his clothes, could not have been caused by a vehicle collision. Today's conference will begin at 10 in the morning. We, of course, will be inside and we'll be keeping you updated on what happens. But for right now, we're live here in Dedham. Manoj Pongwari, NBC 10 Boston.
And NBC 10 Boston is your source for Karen Reed's second murder trial. We're going to bring you today's court proceedings live on our sister station. That will be on NECN. You can also stream it on our NBC 10 Boston YouTube page. And then join us tonight at 7 o'clock for that recap on NBC 10 Boston of what happened in court on Canton Confidential.